Sultan Jalaluddin sat on his throne, his eyes scanning the opulence around him, yet a shadow of dissatisfaction clouded his gaze. The courtiers, draped in luxurious silks, bowed low, but the king's mind was elsewhere, always yearning for more. The old man approached, his voice a low, urgent whisper.
O Jalaluddin, your greed will lead you to a darkness from which no man has ever returned.
The king, with a dismissive wave, laughed at the warning, his voice echoing through the hall. Sultan Jalaluddin tossed and turned, haunted by a voice that called his name.
Jalaluddin, Jalaluddin, seek me in the ruins of the forbidden tomb.
He awoke, his heart pounding not with fear, but with a greedy anticipation of the treasure he believed awaited him. Sultan Jalaluddin rode alone, his determination unwavering despite his advisor's pleas. The path was treacherous, but his desire for power blinded him to the dangers that lay ahead. A low growl shattered the silence, and from the shadows the Jinn emerged, its form towering and shrouded in darkness, eyes aflame.
You have come seeking treasure, O king.
It hissed, its voice like gravel. Sultan Jalaluddin stood defiant, yet his courage faltered.
I am Jalaluddin. I fear nothing. I demand you to serve me.
But the Jinn's claws reached out, and with a terrible scream, the king's soul was claimed, his body left as a withered husk.